Hi, I'm Andy Fletcher, and this is Convertri. Convertri is a project I started about 3 years ago, and then got distracted from and never quite finished. I was reminded of it at one of the Internet Marketing Summits last year, when a friend of mine, Jay, asked a really simple question in one of the panel sections. He said, given it's 2015, or, well, it was 2015 at the time, given it's 2015, why can't I just drag my buy buttons around? Why can't I move it from there to there? And when I asked my developer to do it, why does it take him so damn long? At the time, I didn't really know the answer, so I just made a joke at his expense. So, sorry, Jay. But it was nagging at me ever since, and Convertri became the answer to that question. Why isn't drag and drop completely free from drag and drop? Why isn't something as easy as just saying, I want the buy button to be there? So, let me show you how we made it happen. To start with, we've got a text box. This is a text box that behaves exactly as it does in Word. No separate editor, nothing else to type in, completely inline editing. I can type into this box. I can resize the box. I can drag this box around and put it anywhere I want. Simple as that. Now, let's set a background image to the page. That's quite cool, but I can't really see the text. So I'll highlight it, and I'll make it a different colour. Again, completely WYSIWYG, proper WYSIWYG. Now, let's set an opacity layer. Make it full width, but oh, that's over the top of our text. So I send it to the back, and now the text's in front. Let's make the background colour about sort of 50% white. And now I think this text would actually look better if it went back to black. Simple as that. Now, let's add an image. Let's add a company logo. Oh, I haven't actually got my company logo on here, so I'm going to upload it. All I do is I drag the image in, drop it, Convertri takes care of the rest. It's uploaded, put onto Amazon S3, it's now available. To use it on my page, all I do is double click. It's as easy as that. No faffing around with FTP or trying to get things online yourself. Just drag the file into the web browser and it's online. And this image is now dropped anywhere I like. What's even better than quite anywhere I like is we have a smart snap behavior. So when I move it towards the bottom of this, you'll see I can align it perfectly to the bottom of this box easily, or just off from the bottom of this box. This makes it really easy to line everything up. What's even more, we have the grid. So you'll see that we can snap this logo to this grid like this here, and then if we want it to be about half the width like this, or we can create some slight guttering really easily. This makes it really easy to lay out form elements. So let's create a simple email and submit button form. We'll align those there, drop it slightly down from the top, and make it full width. So we've now got a 2-column layout with a form on the right and the Architect Labs on the logo on the left. Now we have smart drag behavior. So this is basically a section now. At no point have we grouped these elements. Convertri is just smart enough to know that when you have a group of stuff and some things are inside other things or on top of it like this, you kind of want them to all behave together. So when I drag this back panel, instead of it dragging just the back panel and having to relay out the other 4 elements, everything comes with it. It just drags together. Even better, if you want to copy or duplicate an entire section, Convertri is smart enough to know that they all sit together. So I hold down the Alt key and I drag, and I get an exact copy of everything that was in there. So think about your testimonial boxes or anything where you've got groups of elements repeated over and over. You don't have to go to the effort of grouping them together and then duplicating them or manually recreating it. Just hold down Alt, drag, and you get a complete copy of it. You're ready to edit straight away. Behaves completely independently. Except I didn't actually want a copy of that whole section, so I make use of our undo redo system. Click the button, goes back to the previous state. No fake undo redo, not the browser's undo redo that only works on the text, works on everything in the system as if it was a native application. We've got a ton of cool things like this. We've also got YouTube video elements and all kinds of layout things and colorings and styling I won't bore you with. And we've got a ton of other cool stuff coming up. Responsive mobile designs, a blisteringly fast content delivery network, all kinds of exciting stuff. But what we really want to know from you is what you want. On top of the funnel builder, on top of everything else, what gets you excited? What do you want to see in an application like this? Thanks for watching.